Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Employment News for BE Tech Mechanical Engineers for October 2021. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. Every Monday we will upload new employment opportunity for mechanical engineers, and this week in this video we have included 5 government jobs, 5 private jobs and 2 apprenticeship training. All the opportunities saying in this video are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this first government job, in government job, first one is Short Service Commission Technical Officers at Indian Army. Indian Army has invited application from eligible unmarried male and unmarried female candidates and also from widows of defense personnel for admission in 58th Short Service Commission Technical and 29th Short Service Commission Technical Women course commencing in April 2022 at Officers Training Academy, Chennai. Final year students 2022 batch also eligible to apply. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Is a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Qualification required is BE or BTech in mechanical engineers or other branches with a minimum 60% of marks. Age limit is 20 to 27 years as on 1st April 2022. Number of vacancy is 189 in total. Pay and allowances 56,100 to 1,77,500 at level 10 plus MSP of as 15,500 plus DA plus HRA plus other allowances. Selected candidates will be detailed for 49-week training of Officers Training Academy, Chennai, and after successful completion of training, they will be granted Short Service Commission in the Army in the rank of Sub-Lieutenant. Selection procedure. Shortlisting of candidates. Shortlisting of application will be based on preference of marks obtained by the candidates in the qualifying degree. Shortlisted candidates will be intimated through mail and SMS. Selection center procedure. Eligible candidates will be interviewed at one of the selection centers via Allahabad, UP or Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh or Bangalore, Karnataka or Kapurthala, Punjab by psychologist, group testing officer and interviewing officer. Candidates will be put through two-stage selection procedure. Those who clear stage 1 will go to stage 2. Medical SSP recommended candidates are required to undergo medical examination as applicable to their entry. Final year students 2022 batch also eligible to apply and they should be able to submit proof of passing engineering degree examination along with the mark sheets of all semesters or years by 1st April 2022. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on the screen. Interested candidates are to register and fill application on Indian Army website as shown on screen through Officers Entry login on or before 27th October 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description. You can see those links on my description and you can apply by clicking those links directly, and those links will lead to the main websites and you can apply from there directly. Next is Senior Officer Mechanical ME 18 at Oil India Limited, Assam. Oil India Limited is the second largest government owned hydrocarbon exploration and production corporation. It is under the ownership of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India. Recently, oil acquired majority of shares in Numaligarh Refineries Limited, NRL. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. It's a fresher type job. No experience required for this job. Number of posts are 10 for mechanical engineers. Post name and post code Senior Officer Mechanical ME 18. Age limit is 27 years. Mechanical engineering candidates with minimum 65% marks can apply for this post. Pay and allowances 60,000 to 1,80,000 plus industry DA plus HRA plus other allowances. Approximately total salary will be Rs 1,20,000 per month. Application fee Rs 500 for general, OBC and no fee for SC, ST, PWBD, EWS or ex-servicemen categories. Selection process. Selection process comprises of computer-based test, group discussion or group task and personal interview. Initially, CBT will be conducted and GD and PA will be conducted based on the marks in the computer based test. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can see at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates should fill the application through online by using the link as shown on screen on or before 10th October 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Short Service Commission officers at Indian Navy's last date is 5th October 2021. Indian Engineering Services IES examination 2022 through UPSC's last date is 12th October 2021. Assistant Engineer Grade 1 Ministry of Mines through UPSC's last date is 14th October 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is Assistant Engineer Mechanical at Atkins SNC Lab in Gurgaon. Atkin is a British multinational engineering, design, planning, architectural design, project management and consulting service company. It is a subsidiary of SNC Lavalin. By 2016, Atkin had become the UK's largest engineering consultancy as well as the world's 11th largest global design firm. It employs approximately 18,000 staff based in 300 offices across 29 countries and had undertaken projects in over 150 countries. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. Job IDs are 058310. Roles and responsibilities. Technically proficient and ability to use engineering judgment independently to determine solutions, draft technical reports and contractual document of acceptable technical and presentational quality with minimum guidance, apply new ideas or digital idea to improve solutions and process to improve efficiency, good knowledge of work procedure and ensure work adherence to procedure, responsible for completion of specifically assigned task to time and cost. Role is Assistant Engineer Mechanical. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through their website as shown on screen. Next is Vehicle Inspector Motor Underwriting at Chola MS Group, Chennai. Cholamandalam MS General Insurance Company Limited. Chola MS is an Indian insurance firm and joint venture between Murugappa Group, an Indian conglomerate, and the Mitsui Sumitomo Insurance Group, a Japanese insurance company. The group has a workforce of over 50,000 employees. For more information, please visit the website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 2 year experience. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Job description: graduation, automobile or mechanical background, freshers can also apply. Candidates without standing arrears will not be considered. Computer proficiency, typing skills and system knowledge, willing to work on extended hours or rotation shift. Prior experience in vehicle inspection will be added and attached. Job location will be Paris Corner, Chennai. Role is Vehicle Inspector. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification on the website as shown on screen and can apply by sending your latest CV to the mail ID as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and mail IDs in my description also. Next is Mechanical Engineer Plant Maintenance at Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Hyderabad. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical company located in Hyderabad, Telangana. Dr. Reddy's manufactures and markets a wide range of pharmaceuticals in India and overseas. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 3 year. Salary is not disclosed by the employer. Job description: required knowledge of viral filling line, PFS, autoclave, DHS, etc. Having knowledge of isolator based filling line, maintenance line. Responsible for the equipment availability at its full capacity for the production. Responsible for the breakdown rectification in time and corrective action for the non-occurrence. Support installation or modification, commissioning and qualification activities of new equipment and system. Role is Mechanical Engineer Plant Maintenance. Industry type is pharmaceutical company. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown in screen. Next is QA Engineer Drilling Application at Emerson Electric Company, Pune. Emerson is a global technology and engineering company providing innovating solutions for customers in a industrial, commercial and residential markets. Emerson is a Fortune 500 company with a $14.5 billion in sales and 155 manufacturing locations worldwide. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 5 year. Salary offered are 5 lakh to 15 lakh per annum. Role is you will be working with the drilling team of Emerson Exploration and Production Software. The role requires basic understanding of well planning, drilling engineering principles and quality assurance. Job responsibility: understanding the different well planning and drilling engineering modules in the Emerson Exploration and Production Software ecosystem. Writing and executing test cases, verification and validation of the results produced from different modules of the application. Maintain product documentation, example user guide or training manuals. The candidates will be working day to day amongst software engineers, QA staff, QA systems, etc. Required qualification and experience: university degree in petroleum or mechanical engineering or related discipline, 0 to 3 year of experience in drilling or operations or well planning, well versed with drilling engineering calculations, etc. Role is QA engineer. Industry type is oil and gas. Function area is quality assurance. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next is trainee mechanical engineer at ERA Glasses, Shreno Limited, Vadodara. ERA, the glass division of Shreno Limited, formerly known as Alembic Glass Industries, founded in 1907. Alembic is amongst one of the oldest industrial houses in India. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 year experience. Salary is not disclosed by the recruiter. Job description: persons should be ready to work in shop floor, ready to work in rotation shift, work under close supervision of unit supervisors to learn line and machine operations. Role is trainee mechanical engineer. Industry type is glass industry. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice trainees at Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, VSSC ISRO, Trivandrum. VSSC is a major space research center of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, focusing on rocket and space vehicles for India's satellite program. VSSC is an entirely indigenous facility working on the development of sounding rockets, Rohini and Menaga launches, and SLV, ASLV, PSLV, GSLV and GSLV Mk3 families of launch vehicles. For more details, please visit the website as shown on screen. Online applications are invited for selection of graduate apprentice from candidates who acquired degree from any recognized university coming under the southern region of Board of Apprenticeship Training. That means Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Puducherry for the training year 2021-22. Age limit is 30 years as on 8th October 2021. Number of vacancies are 40 for mechanical engineers. Candidates who have completed 3 years after acquiring the qualification are not eligible for apprenticeship training. Candidates should need first class BE or BTech in the respective field with not less than 65% of marks or 6.8 for CGPA. Selection procedure: the final rank list will be prepared based on the aggregate marks scored by the candidates in the relevant qualification. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates can apply online through the website as shown on screen on or before 8th October 2021. Next is some last date of apprenticeship training already informed in previous video. Graduate apprentice at Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited's last date is extended to 7th October 2021. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for the details of this job opportunity video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.